Hello, welcome in my tutorial. Today we learn constant, variable and data type. So first, what is the use of this constant, variable and data type in our program? So first, the task of processing data by executing a sequence instruction called a program. This program uses some symbol, word according to some rules known as syntax rule or grammars. It means the sequence of all the line between two branches are called instruction, and more than one instruction became a program. These all instructions contain some rules and grammar. These rules and grammars are called as constant. So C has own vocabulary and grammar. So first, character set. Character can be used from word, number and expression depend upon the computer on which the program is run. It means character can be used to form word, number and expression. You know very well word, number and expression means some type of condition, some type of mathematical operation, some type of logical operation and so on. C have following type of character set. First, letter. C language also allow the uppercase lower letter A to Z and lower level A to Z. Sorry, here is the small z, not a big z. So it means I can also define variable using both things. First, integer ABC are also valid, and this integer ABC are also valid. It means C contain both variable. And then next thing is digit. All the decimal digit are allowed by C language, 0 to 9. Third, special character. First, comma. Comma is useful for to define more than one variable. It means A, B, C, D, E, F and so on. Period is also used in the structure to access the structure member variable. Semicolon is always used in the ending with line. Colon is also useful in for loop. Then question marks is also used in the ternary operator. Apostrophe is also used in single character. Quotation marks is also used in the string, and more than one character we define a string. At that time we use the quotation marks. Explanation marks is also useful to check some condition. Vertical bar is also. Then slash is useful for the comment. We can also put at the single line comment and multi-line comment. Then next, backslash is also useful for the slash and for next line. R for carries written. Slash T for the tab. Tilde is also useful for the bit level operation, and underscore is also useful for the define the name. We can also define name as like this, ABC underscore DEF are also valid in C. $sign is also useful. Percentage is used in mathematical operation. Ampersand sign is used to access the address of any particular variable. Caret is also to conditional operator. Asterisk sign is also used in pointer to define the define pointer. Minus sign is minus plus is also used in mathematical operation. Then dash 2 less than and greater than sign is also used in to check the condition. We can say compare the two variable, and as well as used in the preprocessor directory, or we can say header file here. Then left parenthesis and right parenthesis is also used in the some particular function. In my case, main is a function. Then if I define the printf, printf is also a function. Then left bracket and a right bracket is also useful for the define the variable. Left branch and right branch is also used to define the body, and this number sign is also define the preprocessor directive here. So all are characters set in C language. C language is also used the white space, blank space. It means this is called blank space. Horizontal tab defined using the slash backslash t for the tab. Carriage return is also used for the printer. Slash n for the new line, and from feed is also used to define the slash f. Then constant. Generally constant divide into two types. First numerical constant and second is character constant. In numerical constant, first is a integer constant. An integer constant refers to the sequence of digit. There are three types of integer: decimal integer, octal integer, and hexadecimal integer. So first we use the decimal integer in our program. Integer ABC equal to 10. Then printf %d and ABC. Then I remove all the other code. Then build and run. Look at this, 10 is come here. So this 10 is called a decimal number. A decimal integer a set of digits 0 to 9 and precede also plus and minus. It means we can also use the minus here. Look at this, output come in the minus sign. By default it is a plus. Some example of integer constant are 1 2 3 minus 3 2 1 0 6 5 4 3 and plus 5. Next is octal number, octal integer constant. Octal integer constant consists of any combination of digits 0 through 7 with leading 0. It means if I define as 0 3 7, not a decimal constant, but this is octal integer constant. If I 0 3 and 7, output is come totally different, not a 37 but output is come 31. So how it's come 31? Because it is not a integer constant. Sorry, we can say it is not a decimal number, but it is a octal number which contains 0 to 7. So 7 3 21 and 3 into 8 24 and 24 into 7. So answer is come here 24. It means how 24 is come? 8 into 3. So 24 and 24 plus 7. So answer is come 31. Then a sequence of digit preceded by 0 small x or 0 uppercase x is considered as hexadecimal integer. They may also include the alphabets A to F. Now series of this hexadecimal number is 0 to 9 as well as in a decimal number, and then 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50 as used for the alphabetical number A to F. So some example of this, 0x5, 0 small x 1d, it means d is a 12, not a d. So now we use this hexadecimal number in our program. So first I use 0x5, 0, x and 5. Now I build my program successfully. Look at this, answer is 5. It means now I use A. Then again build, again run. Now answer is 19 because A is a 10, is considered as a 10. So this is hexadecimal. Now our second type of constant is real constant. So in this type of constants, all type of constant represented by numbers containing fraction part like 25.6 and so on. Each such number is called real or floating point number. It means which number contain the point value which all are come in this real constant. Some example are 0.0025 minus 0.75, next 498.60 and so on. All number are used using the float, not integer. For example, float ABC equal to 0.54525. Now if I run this program, the output is different, not 0.525. Output is some garbage value. So I use %f, then I run this program. Now output is come 0.525000 because floating number always consider the after point 6 digit. And next is our single character constant. Single character constant or V or simply character constant continue a single character within a pair of single quote marks. Some example are 5, not a digit 5, but this is a single character constant, then K, then semicolon in double quote and blank quote. Now we take one example. In this type of constant always use the character, and A equal to not a double quote but use the single quote, then K here, then semicolon. If you want to print this type of character, then always use C, %C, and now I try to print these things. So some build, and after build I will try run. Look at this, K is come here. Now if I print 5, then answer is not a 5, but answer is not a 5, but it written the 5 as a single constant. So all are single character constant. We can also use the character as define the constant. Now next is a string. A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quote. The character may be letters, numbers, special character and blank spaces. And example are hello. It means this hello is the number of character enclosed with double quote. Then next is a 1992 is not a digit but it consider as a string constant. Then next this 2.5 is not a mathematical operation but this is string constant, and also a is not a single constant but it is a double constant because we use with the double quotes. So all are the constant. Now I think, are you clear with this concept? Okay, now we take one example of string constant. Then a equal to 5. So both are different, not a same, because this above 5 is a single character constant and this is a string constant. So first we take the character set, and character set is a letter, digit, special characters and white space, and then constant are divided into two types. First is a numerical constant. In numerical constant, first is integer constant and second is a real constant. In character constant, first is a single character constant which used with the single quote character, and next is a string constant used with the double character constant. So now are you clear with this all constant? And I am sure you have no any question. If you have any question, then ask me in the comment. I definitely give you the answer. Okay, bye bye.